Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be building a little service truck, basically a van type of thing. And this is one of my earlier models here. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a couple of changes. I'm going to make some changes in the hood that you traditionally see on some of my other trucks. I'm going to add an extended bumper on the front and the back. I'm going to go ahead and put the traditional mirrors and the antennas on as well. The wheels that I'll be using are the traditional wheels that you see in a lot of my trucks. These ones here that are on this one was something that I had at the time. Someone had asked me where I get a lot of my parts and stuff, and I get everything from the American Woodcrafters Supply, and I'll put a link down below so you can check that out. So let's go ahead and get started on our service vehicle. All right, there it is. Went together really well. I'm real happy with it. As you can see, I extended the bumpers on the back and also in the front. I shaped the hood a little bit like I do on the Jeeps and some of the little tractor trailers and so forth. You may have saw the visor went on a little bit differently because I kind of put a little bit more of a slant in the windshield area. We've got the service light on top, spare tire, and that's really about all I've done extra on this. So I'm really happy with this new design. With my pattern that I have now, I can go ahead and start producing these. And if I come up with some other ideas, I can kind of add to it. So there it is, and thanks an awful lot for watching.